Apple is reportedly doing everything it can to erase this leak from the internet. And honestly, that might be the biggest sign it's real. Months before launch, the iPhone 18 Pro has allegedly leaked through confidential files linked to Tata Electronics, one of Apple's biggest manufacturing partners. I can't show the original material, so what you're seeing is a recreation based on the leaked information. If these files are authentic, they give us our clearest look yet at Apple's next flagship. And while the design isn't the biggest surprise, one hardware upgrade could completely change whether the iPhone 18 Pro is worth buying. At first glance, it looks almost identical to the iPhone 17 Pro, but look a little closer, and the differences become clear. The phone appears slightly thicker, and the camera bump is even larger than before. In fact, this could be the biggest camera module we've ever seen on an iPhone. That may not sound exciting, but there's a reason behind it. Multiple leaks point to a larger main camera sensor with a variable aperture system. If true, it would allow the camera to physically adjust how much light enters the lens, delivering better low-light shots, portraits, and overall image quality. The prototype also appeared in a gray finish similar to the current Pro lineup, suggesting Apple is refining the design rather than reinventing it. But the thicker body raises an obvious question. What is Apple doing with all that extra space? According to the leaks, it isn't just for the camera. Apple is reportedly adding a redesigned vapor chamber cooling system while also making room for larger batteries. The physical SIM version of the iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to feature around a 4,256 mAh battery, while the eSIM model could reach roughly 4,288 mAh. The Pro Max is expected to approach the 5,000 mAh mark, potentially delivering one of the biggest battery upgrades in years. And that's not even the most interesting part. Multiple reports claim Apple is finally making the dynamic island noticeably smaller. Combined with thinner bezels, the front of the iPhone 18 Pro could feel much cleaner, even if the overall design remains familiar. Ironically, this leak may also explain why Apple isn't introducing a major redesign this year. Most reliable reports suggest Apple is saving its biggest visual overhaul for the 20th anniversary iPhone in 2027. That means the iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to be a refinement year with better cameras, improved cooling, bigger batteries, and the new A20 Pro chip rather than a completely new look. There's another reason this matters. Analysts believe iPhone prices could increase following recent price hikes across other Apple products. So if you're already considering an iPhone 17 Pro, buying now may actually make more sense than paying more next year for what appears to be a relatively modest upgrade. There's also some controversy surrounding the standard iPhone 18. Current rumors suggest it could receive 9 GB of RAM instead of 8 GB, but that's reportedly still not enough to support Apple's most advanced AI features. Those capabilities may remain exclusive to the Pro models with 12 GB of RAM, pushing more users toward Apple's premium devices. Apple also seems fully committed to foldables. The first foldable iPhone Ultra is still expected to arrive soon, and surprisingly, rumors about its second generation are already appearing. It looks like Apple wants the Ultra branding to become its dedicated foldable lineup. So when you put everything together, this leak paints a very clear picture. The iPhone 18 Pro isn't trying to reinvent the iPhone. Instead, it's focusing on meaningful upgrades like a variable aperture camera, improved cooling, larger batteries, and a smaller dynamic island. The bigger question is whether those changes are enough to justify upgrading, or if the truly exciting iPhone is still 1 year away. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you buy the iPhone 18 Pro, or are you waiting for Apple's anniversary iPhone? Subscribe for more Apple leaks and news, and I'll see you in the next one.